I'm not going to use this decoder or this type of decoder while assembling any amplifier. This decoder kit is from Tech Audios and it's HDMI, ARC, optical, all those features are there. This is from a brand G-Star. This product is also HDMI, ARC, optical and coaxial, Bluetooth, USB all inbuilt. But all those previous versions that I have reviewed on my previous videos, I'm gonna delete all those videos, or I am gonna delete all those description from that videos about how to contact, how to buy and all those options, because the latest coming products from these brands are totally a disaster. They are noisy, less gain and buzzy, not at all in good quality or good clarity output. So here after all, I'm using FT003 Futech HDMI ARC optical mini decoder. This is one of the best because there is no need to prove their quality and performance. They have already proved it before. So you can buy it from online, not from me, not from anywhere. You can directly buy from their website and can connect with any manual or any digital amp.